everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep Today, I'm going to talk to you about household cleaning supplies. But first, for those of you that haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. And then don't forget to ring the notification bell. That way you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Also, if you happen to have friends, family, neighbors, relatives, co-workers, anyone that might be interested in any of these topics, please go ahead and click the share button right there and share it out to them. That way they can get prepared as well. Alrighty. Also, please give me a thumbs up. Helps me out with YouTube's analytics. So cleaning supplies. Everyone thinks, oh, I got plenty of cleaning supplies. Well, I realized talking to a few people, they don't have what they think they have. Cleaning supplies includes everything for cleaning the bathroom, the toilet bowl cleaner, the window cleaner for cleaning the mirrors, the mop and bucket, and soap for doing the floor, vacuum cleaner bags for your vacuum cleaners. Run out of vacuum cleaner bags, it's like, One of the other things you need to consider is gloves, like the Playtex gloves, so you don't get, if you're using like Lime Away or one of those other lime dissolving chemicals, so you don't get it on your hands. If you're having to use bleach to clean something that's a real stubborn stain, you want to protect your hands. So go through all your cleaning supplies, see what you have, figure out how long it's going to last you, and start adding to it for the stuff you're going to need sooner. All right. And as always, everyone stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared. And don't forget to check out the following little clip here that has some other videos you might be interested in. Take care.